In today's video, I'm going to teach you form design aesthetics in Microsoft Access, how to make professional looking forms. We're going to build a clean, branded navigation experience that makes your database feel polished and easy to use. Start by opening Microsoft Access and the database you want to refine. If you already have forms and reports built, you're in perfect shape. Those will become the content of your navigation form. If not, you can still follow along to understand the design principles and come back to add content later. Head to the Create tab on the ribbon. This is your toolbox for building the visual layer of your app. We'll focus on the navigation control, which quickly gives you a modern, tabbed interface. Select navigation and choose a style that fits your layout needs. Horizontal tabs across the top are compact and familiar, while vertical tabs leave more room for long names. Think about your users' screen sizes and keep the structure simple. Fewer, clearer tabs are almost always better. In the new navigation form, look to the navigation pane on the left. Drag any existing form or report and drop it directly onto the Add New tab. Each item you drop creates a new tab linked to that object. Add only the essentials and place the most used items first. A tidy order reduces clicks and makes the interface feel intentional. Double-click any tab label to change the text users will see. This edits the navigation label only. It doesn't rename the underlying object in your database. Use short, action-oriented names like customers, orders, or reports so people instantly know where to go. Switch to Layout View to fine-tune the look. With a tab selected, open the Format tab on the ribbon. Apply a quick style to instantly set a coordinated color, border, and hover state, then adjust colors and fonts to match your brand. Aim for high contrast between tab text and background. Stick to one or two fonts for consistency, and keep font sizes readable. Small touches, consistent capitalization, even spacing, and aligned edges make a big difference in perceived quality. Next, set this navigation form as the front door of your database. Go to File, then Options, and choose Current Database. This area controls startup behavior and user experience. Under Display Form, pick the navigation form you just designed. With that selection, the database will open straight to your polished interface, guiding users exactly where you want them to begin. It's a simple change that feels like a professional app launch screen. That's it. You've opened Access, built a navigation form, added your key objects, refined the labels and styling, and set it to open automatically. Keep labels concise, maintain consistent colors and fonts, and preview it full screen to check readability. With these choices, your Access forms won't just work well, they'll look the part too.